Who needs more video to help? Raise your hand if you need more video help. That's what I thought. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you. This is one of the cool things you can do, and this will only about a 5-minute little slideshow here. Can you see my screen? All right, so here's what I did just for you guys. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this, and when I launched the 3-day video challenge, I seriously wasn't sure what I wanted to do at the end. I wanted to see how engaged you were, how much help you needed, where you were in your businesses, and because of that, I was able to create this. So if you're ready to use video for your business, which I know you are, to film them, you've got that, you've started getting that down. To use them, can everybody see the screen? You able to see it? And now to monetize them, because that's how you, with your videos, you don't want to just use them for fun, you want to monetize them, right? You want them to bring clients. So I created something called the Insiders Club. It's the first club I've ever had online called the Insiders Club. It's about video visibility, because you want to be like this flower in the field of gold. You want to be the red one, and it's really about your success. So here, just real quickly, you can read along with me. Why join the Insiders Club? This club, you're going to learn how to create great videos and be held accountable to get them done. How many of you need to be held accountable? Anybody? You're like, I'm going to do videos, and you said it 2 years ago, and then a year ago, and then 6 months ago, and then you're still saying I need to use video, and you're not using video. I'll help you use video. Learn what to do and what not to do on video so they work for you. That's what I was kind of talking with Linda. She was saying people aren't engaging. There's certain things you want to do to get more engagement, and so you're going to learn that. Push your comfort zone. Be ahead of your competition so new customers can find you. The trend is video, and it's been video for a couple years now. It's really picking up, and I keep saying if you're not on video, it's like not having a website. You've got to have video on your websites, video on social media, because that's how people are communicating, and with their smartphones more than anything. So what results would you get being part of our Insiders Club? Build consistency, weekly making new videos to market your business. How many of you would like to have a new video every week marketing your business? On YouTube, you can put it on social media, you can put some in your Facebook groups, you can put them in your private groups, you can send them out to your email list. I have in the Insiders group, it's about creating one new video weekly. Not every day like we did in the 3-day challenge. How many of you needed your life back after that one? I know I did. I was like, all right, 3 days in a row, and I need my life back. I spent 2 hours one night watching your guys' videos. I'm like, okay, that's crazy. But with this, we're gonna do one a week. I think that's a better pace. Everybody has time to do one video a week. And if not, you've really got to reassess your commitment to your business, because you've got to have at least one video up a week to market yourself. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to compete. That's just realistically, it's true. So build consistency weekly, making new videos to market your business. Stand out above the crowd with the right kind of videos so you're not making the wrong kind. It builds a trust it builds trust faster online with videos. People see words and pictures, but when they see you with your eyes and your gestures, like we talked about, it builds trust much faster. Attract new customers with your videos. That's how you get new customers. And turn your videos into product offerings that can make you money while you sleep. Would that be super cool if some of those videos that you were filming every week, you could turn into products that you could offer for sale? That's what we're gonna do in this. Is your mind blown right now? Because mine is. I'm like, we're really gonna do that. We're going to do this all together. So it's going to be cool, and it's custom to your business, obviously. So how does it work? In the Insiders Club, you're going to receive one new training and challenge video per week. I call it a challenge because if it's not a challenge and you don't have a deadline, you won't get them done. And then I'm going to have drawings and giveaways at different times throughout to keep you motivated. But the real motivation should be to get them done. So receive one new training and challenge video per week with what to say and how to say it, just like I did before. This video is this kind of video. This is what you want to say. This is a parameter. Complete the challenge and share it. Share your video publicly to attract new customers. So you're not going to share it in our Facebook group anymore. You're going to share it publicly. So it's not just for us, it's for your customers. And I'll tell you where to share it. So I'll say, this is this kind of video. This is how long it should be. This is how it should start. This is how it should end. And this is where you want to post it. So it might be, this is going to be on YouTube, and then you're going to put it, link it to Twitter if you have Twitter, or this is going to be linked to your Instagram account. So I'll share with you where to share them publicly so you can attract new customers. And you can either use Facebook Live or pre-recorded videos for the challenges. I actually think you should use pre-recorded videos for this, but you can do whatever you like. The reason I say that is because, again, they're going to be very time specific and they're going to be for a certain reason, but we will use some Facebook Lives for the training videos, which I'll tell you about in a minute. So what kind of videos will we be doing in this challenge? These are just some of them. You're going to be doing how-to videos. Linda, take note of this. These are the kind of, this is what you guys were, I was going to tell you at the end, but I'm going to tell you right now. These are all the different kinds of videos that you can use on social media, on your website, in email to get more visibility and to get more client traction. So how-to videos. You search on Google, how to do this, and it comes up. You would be one of those people if you're talking in the how-tos in your industry. But there's some keys to doing those that are very important, because if you do long how-to videos, nobody's going to watch your video because people want them done fast. So there's some parameters around how-to videos. Insider secrets, I'll tell you what that's going to be, but those are really, really important for all. These work all the way across the board, whether you're a chiropractor, a healer, a coach, a trainer, a teacher, an artist, whatever you are. Insider secret videos are great. Client testimonials on video are super important. You're going to be using those. We're going to do some Facebook Live videos. I'll tell you how. Special training videos, and these are the ones that you're going to turn into products to sell. So I will put the guidelines for you around the special training videos, how to make those and then turn them into a product. And you can use those as a product as something we call a tripwire or a lead magnet. If you don't know what those are, I can teach you, but some of them will be low cost as a tripwire, and some of them will be low cost as a lead magnet, and some of them will be higher value depending on who you're selling them to and if they're going to current clients. So those are just some of the videos. So I want you to know that if you're doing videos outside of this training, these are the kind of videos you want to be doing to get traction. Does that make sense? Is everybody clear with those different kind of videos? There's so many different kind of videos, and these are some of the most important. So this is for you if you are tired of being the best kept secret, you know you want to make great videos, and you are ready for more visibility and more customers. Now, I want to say, Maura and Noreen, I think you're the only two on here tonight that are already in. You two get this for free with the Fearless Marketers program that you registered for. So are you excited about that? Yes, you get this for free. If you're not in one of those training programs already, you can sign up for this for $97 a month. $97 a month. That's less than $25 a week to be held accountable, to do these videos, to keep them going and be more visible. So wait a minute, there's more. When I told my coach I was doing this, she was like, oh my God, this is crazy, crazy. But if you want to accelerate, you want to do the weekly thing, but you want to accelerate, you can pay for your year-long membership in full. So it'd be $997, which is like $167 less than if you pay monthly. And you get the Accelerator 12-week Fearless Marketers program for free. I still have some room in the Fearless Marketers. That's what Mara's in. That's what Noreen's in. That's what my year-long people are in. But I have room. You can get 12 weeks of the Fearless Marketers program working with me for free if you pay for your membership for the year in full. So let me tell you what's in that program in case that's of interest to you. It's about acceleration, moving faster. So you're going to work closely with me using the videos that you create in the Insiders Club, so you don't have to do double the work. But you're going to take those videos. We're going to develop an engaging customer campaign, which means we're going to create an enticing campaign focus, develop an enticing offer, and create a customer funnel. If you don't know what those are, these are super duper important for you to get traction with your videos. Because when you put videos out there and they're here and there and people are like, you can use them and they'll draw people to you and they'll start to know who you are, but you need to have some, what I call a campaign focus. There's got to be a reason for you doing what you're doing to lead people to something. Noreen, I had you in mind with this. Noreen, I think that you should do, since I know you're in the Fearless Marketers, I think we should do a how to quit smoking in 30 or 60 days or whatever it is you can do with hypnotherapy, because she has a lot of smokers that they quit smoking with her hypnotherapy. So we create a big campaign around that and then create an enticing offer for them, a customer funnel. Maybe we'll give them some how-to videos, things they maybe try on their own, some things that'll help them prepare, and then lead them to a funnel, which will eventually get them to a discovery session with you, and then give a special offer for them to sign up. So I've already got your back, Noreen, on that. I think that would be a really good one for you. Then from there, we go into your launch campaign, which is we get it all ready. Now there's a lot of behind the scenes with this, and I didn't want to put all the detail, but there are things like sign up things on your sales page, and there are auto responders and emails. I'm going to help you do all those over the 12 weeks. I just don't want to put them right here because it'll like maybe get you a little bit confused or blow your mind, and I don't want to blow your mind, but I'll walk you through. Like Kathy was talking, you need a process. This is a process. This is a week for week process for 12 weeks. And Kathy, you guys are going to be starting this. So launch your campaign. You're going to create and build momentum, get a lot of visibility in the right places in front of the right people, get people responding to your easy yes offer. This is super important, getting people to respond. Linda Kelly was saying people aren't responding to her videos. You need a campaign to get people to respond to your easy yes offer. Linda Kelly, I already have a good one for you. But I think about this stuff in my sleep, you guys. So if I haven't mentioned your name, doesn't mean I don't have one for you. I just have all these ideas going. But you need an easy yes offer. And then the next phase is enrolling new customers from your campaign. So you engage them, and then you move them to the next step, and then you turn them into customers if it's a good fit for you. So that is all included. So all you do is pay for your year in the Insiders Club, and you get the 12-week Fearless Marketers program for free. So let me just wrap up with this part. The bonus of that is there's only 12 women per group. And right now I already have a few women in the next one coming up. So if you want to be in that one, you've got to act soon so you can get in. Otherwise you have to wait for the next one. But this is a standalone program. So you would have to pay tonight for it, or not tonight, within the deadline. I'll give you the deadline. You'd have to pay for it for this deadline to get it for free with the membership. Otherwise you will just get the membership. If you come back later, you'd have to pay for the Fearless Marketer. So 12 women, weekly coaching calls and monthly masterminds. That is not part of the Insiders. The Insiders is the video once a week, Facebook engagement. I have giveaways and stuff that'll happen there to make sure I can review some of your videos and make sure if you have questions, I can answer them. But there's no coaching calls with that because to keep it low cost at $97 a month, I just couldn't put coaching calls. But for the Fearless Marketer, there are weekly coaching calls just with the 12 and a bonus of monthly masterminds here in the studio. If you can make those, they're 3-hour masterminds where we get together once a month in the 3 months that we're together, and step-by-step customized help. So if it sounds good to you, you pay $9.97 in full, get the Fearless Marketers bonus program for free. This is crazy. Don't you think it's crazy, Maura? Because you signed up for the Fearless Marketers and this other thing wasn't even in here. Now you get all of this for just one price. Frequently asked questions. We'll close with this. We're running a little late. How much time investment is required? For the Insiders Club, you can invest 30 minutes to an hour a week, depending on how you want to do your videos. And then for the Fearless Marketers bonus program, it's going to take extra time depending on how involved you want your customer campaign to be. That's really up to you. It'll take a few more weeks, but to be honest, if you're running a business and you want customers, you've got to be able to put more than a little, an hour a week in your business if you expect it to go anywhere, right? So this is going to take a couple hours a week minimum. You can put more if you want it to be a bigger campaign. Will I get personalized feedback, attention, and support? Even though the Insiders Group is a virtual program, I will be active in our private Facebook group, giving feedback, attention, and answering questions. And then there will be opportunities to share your videos within the group. And I'll be doing that on a regular basis, saying, okay, share your videos under this post so we can see them and give you some feedback. Do I really need the bonus program? The Fearless Marketers bonus program is designed for those who really want to accelerate their efforts from the videos that are made in the Insiders Club. If you aren't ready to accelerate, then you won't need the bonus program. So if you just want to do the weekly in the other one, that's fine. But if you're like, nope, I want to get traction with these, then you'll want to do the 12-week program. And how do I do both programs at the same time without getting overwhelmed? And again, I've created the Fearless Marketers bonus program to build off what we're doing in the Insiders program, so you won't get overwhelmed, but you will need to put some effort into the 12-week program if you want to see results. And then I put, why choose me to help you? I have a unique way of getting clients to take action and get results. I give all my creativity and expertise freely to clients for their business goals. I'm invested in my client's success. I will help you master your videos, your visibility, and marketing. And I provide a space like you felt tonight for you to be consistent so you experience success.
I think it's awesome. Julia really delivers. She's so invested in everyone's business, and it's her gift. And I'm looking forward to participating.
And I do over deliver, which you can tell even by the offer and the way I delivered on the 3-day challenge. I just didn't want the 3-day challenge to be over and you guys not have anything to do. So I want you to be able to keep going, keep building your videos, and keep getting out there, because without them, you're not going to be out there. Yeah, Maura.
Well, I could just say that the reason why I signed up for the Fearless Marketer program is nobody motivates me like you do. Put a challenge to me and then I like step up into it. And I've worked with a lot of different coaches in a lot of programs over the years, and didn't really get the kinds of results that I wanted. And these challenge things that I've done with you, it's like I've been right there all along. So I'm just really excited and just wanted to share that with everybody.
Thank you.
Like amazing at motivation.
Awesome. Maura, I can't wait. I've been watching you for a couple of years, and I'm so happy you're finally signed up so I can help you get out there and help you do this. So I do have enough energy for everybody, so don't worry about that. I will not run out. I will not lose it. I will go to bed thinking about you and figuring out what we can do to get you out there. And I do love what I do, so I'm excited.